Yo people, what's up? Welcome to Passive Passion Online Income. And just wanted to shoot a new video in this beautiful place, which is in Bali. And I'm not going to be talking about business, investing, or anything related to business. In fact, in this video, I want to tell you, or actually in other ways request you guys to take out time from your busy lives and come and visit this beautiful place, which is Bali. You can see in the background, what an amazing beach I am at right now. The name of this place is the Tana Lodge, and the temple at my background, I don't know if you can see, yeah, there it is. The temple at my back, it is a temple, okay, it's a Hindu temple here in Bali, and it's one of the famous tourist spots out here. So do come and visit Bali, guys. It's an amazing place, lots of beautiful beaches, lots of beautiful tourist attractions. They've also got pristine rainforests. If you're a person who loves to live in the secluded or tranquil nature, or those forest resorts where you would like to just laze around and spend your holidays, then you should definitely visit this place. Go to beaches in Kuta, Seminyak. These are the places for those beach buffs, in case if you are one of them. So do visit Bali, guys. It's an amazing place, and also the people are very friendly, very hospitable. Food is great, very delicious food. Try out the typical staple dish of Indonesia in general, which is called a nasi goreng. Apart from that, there are a plethora of activities and leisure options out here, which will keep you busy and occupied. So you're definitely gonna have fun. So come with your family, or come alone. Even if you're a bachelor, it really doesn't matter. Come have fun, enjoy the tranquility of this place. It's just amazing, guys. It's just gonna rejuvenate you completely. Yeah. So visit Bali and enjoy the attractions out here. You take care, guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe and be part of my channel. Love you guys. God bless.